Hello everybody and welcome to the part 85 of the Arduboy dev stream. Right, so last time I left you with one bug which I fixed outside of the video. I will show you that, and I also did some minor change, so let's jump right into it. Yeah, so without surprise, the bug was the path of the computation of the path for the const variable file name. So basically, I just reused the same file name. So this one contains the full path. So I just reuse it here and here, just remove the extension and add const variable.h at the end. So now the file is saved at the same place as your map file, cpp file. All right, this commit contains also some other change, which what it is, I have added a new file menu item into it. So yeah, just a new, so that you can create a new map, like reset the whole map basically. And what I do is just reset the map, redraw the level, update the title, because obviously the map name is also reset, which I did here in the reset function. I reinitialize the file name. All right, and then I also committed the readme with everything we did so far. And then next commit, I noticed a little crash when I was doing some more tests when you were trying to save a map without any statuette inside the map. So obviously here, if there is no statuette in the item list, I crash. So I'll just check first that the item contains a statuette. Otherwise, it's obviously 0. And then what we have, this one is fix the drawing of the sprite in the toolbar. So yeah, I had that also in the readme, was in the to-do list, fix the drawing of the sprite. So basically it was not perfectly aligned. There was some shift and stuff like that. And I know that this kind of fix can take some time, unfortunately. If you are yeah, it's just consume a lot of your time basically. So anyway, there was several bugs. First, the pixel offset mode should be set to half, otherwise it was shift by half. So that's strange. If you set it to half, then it's not shift, but if you set it to none, it's shift by half a pixel. I also set the smoothing to none, although maybe it doesn't impact much. And then the other bug was this one, before the division by integer division, you lose too much precision, specifically for the last line. So you can imagine, for example, if you have half a pixel, but you multiply by 8 times, sorry. So 8 times 0.5, it's already 4 pixels. So for the last line, there was 4 pixel offset. So I just keep the float precision, multiply here, set it here, then after multiplication in float, convert to int. And now that's much more aligned. I did the same for the items. All right, so now today, what will we do? So to-do list, there's less stuff. Yeah, adding some stat information display on the level in the view menu, maybe in the view. I'm not sure, or maybe we can just do it in the log window when we save. That's maybe just enough, I think. And this one may be computed. Max updatable item count can be computed in the editor and saved. I forgot what it is, so I need to probably look into the code again because I kind of forgot what it is. But yeah, and I think I remember it's the number of item in our item array for the map manager. Let's check. I think it's this. And the map manager, I think it's this one, max updatable item count, yeah, which is currently set to 20, but yeah, this one has to be, normally it has to be computed by the editor. And if I'm correct, it should be, it's a bit tricky to compute actually. It's like it depends on the number of item in one puzzle screen plus the one in the next puzzle screen, because you add first, you add the items in the other puzzle screen, and then and then you when the screen is shift, then you remove the other one. So and the problem is, so yeah, we don't need to have 3 screens, just 2 screens should be okay. So maybe in the editor we can start from the first screen, then next go to the next one, then second and third, then third and fourth, etc., etc. So we can have a sliding window of 2 screens and count how many items we have in these 2 shifting window, and yeah, get the maximum. That function seems to be doable. So the reason why we should do that by the editor is like, imagine someone, the user of the editor wants to create like a puzzle, like maybe not so many screens, but in each screen a crazy amount of items, like a lot of items. We may reach this hard limit. I mean, the game engine may reach this hard limit and they will face some error. So yeah, that should be computed by the editor if we can, and I think we can. Also, in the dock, and I'm starting to be thirsty, but I've prepared my tea. I hope you have something to drink also while you're watching me. I think I forgot to tell in the documentation that the first screen is also used as the menu screen. And yeah, they cannot really use it, but they cannot really, I mean, the user of the editor cannot really change that. And I think it's a pretty fixed screen is the first one, like the 00. So, but what we can do, and I will probably start by that, is we can probably draw a fake menu in the editor just to inform where is the menu. Yeah, so okay, so I think we can start by that. All right, so Maybe just before I want to double check something. That's because it's quite a long time I didn't look at the code of the game itself. So in the map data, screen 0. Okay, so yeah, we already have something to generate to avoid spawning the statuette and the grail in the game, in the menu, just in playing. But I'm curious. I think that's the only code which is like this. Yeah, so we probably have something in the also in the editor for writing this specific things. Okay, and all right. So let's see. When we write the map, okay, write the level data. So we don't want the level data. We just want the screen. To checkpoint, and this is where the code is main menu screen. Okay. Special hardcode case for level 0, init only specific item playing state of the game, blah blah blah, for each item on screen while playing, and so we write it, and this one is what is given here. Special case main menu, split the item into list. Okay. So I keep Rick, stalactite, stalagmite. It's pretty hard coded in the editor, right? To be totally fair, we should add something in the editor to specify which one you want to remove for the first level. But no, I don't. I think I will leave it like here. I mean, if you really want to create your own level of freak outdoors, and you can change the code of the editor or improve it. But at least we can. I think we should draw the menu to warn a little bit the user, and I will add it later in the doc. So this one I'm curious to see how it's it's like this. Yeah, just give 0, screen ID 0 0 0. Okay, it's pretty much hard coded. It should be the 0 0 to be the menu. All right, so in that case, in the draw, we can do that. So draw level walls, draw items. So I think I want to draw the menu in the back. So we should do it before drawing the level walls, so that if someone start from new, then at least they see it. So we create a new function for that. Private void draw main menu. I need the GC, I guess. Do I need something else? I don't know yet. We'll see. And this one I will call it from blah 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 here. So draw the main menu for the first screen. Draw various element. Start. We need probably the camera X and Y, because if the first menu is outside of the screen, we probably don't need to draw it. Start camera, end camera. What is with an 8? I forgot. So let's see, camera X, Y. Compute camera coordinate limits, draw level. I think the draw item will be easier. Camera X, camera Y, world. Wait, do I have compositing to be... Here I see I have compositing source over. And for the walls, yeah, clear to black. Ouch. Ouch. No. You know what? I will move this outside. Here. So we just clear the image in black, then we draw. Source copy, source over. There should be source over actually. Yeah, should be source over also. After drawing the mat, move the composition to source over for item to be drawn with transparency. Well, we don't have because if I draw the wall without transparency, that's an issue. But I think the wall sprite don't have transparency themselves. Yeah. Which means I probably cannot draw the menu first. So that's fine. We can draw the menu half transparent, but after the wall. So let's undo this. Undo this, and then we can draw here all the items. Okay. So we compose it also in source over. I think I need camera X and Y. And then check if it's visible. The width and height is for what? This one is used for what? It's not used? It is not used. Okay. If you say so. So I think we need to remove X world. Yeah, that may be negative. Well, we can just draw it, and it will be. I think it will. If it's outside of the screen, it will just draw half of the text or something like that. So that's fine. Draw the menu. So GC draw string. And so I forgot what is the menu. So let's have a look. It should be in the game manager, I think. Main menu. No, main menu is PP. So we have where's the main menu? Okay, here. Play, sound, and controls. And the position in Y is 30, 41, 52. Copy this. And the X position in X is what? Let's put that here for now. And oh yeah, I didn't. So the menu X 40. Okay. Okay, and menu X 40. So I think it's a string. We need a font, a brush, and a point, or maybe two. Yeah. Font branch position can be X and Y. All right. Let's create. We can just create a font. We have a pen here. So we need brush. Menu, main menu, brush, main menu text, brush. So we need a solid brush, and the color will be I want it half transparent, so we'll do from RGB, and alpha and base color. That's nice for me as a int. Okay, 127, and base color white. Okay, that's our brush, and we need a font. Private font. Main menu text font. Style, family, and size. Yeah, we can use a family. Font family. A monospace, because we are 8-bit, right? 8-bit game, monospace is great. And I think I want a size, which I have no idea so far. So let's do, I don't know, 50. We'll see how it looks like. I have no idea. Maybe it's a bit too much. 20. Let's do 20. Okay. So here, yeah, you need the camera coordinate, but that's fine. So we need the font, and we need the brush, and now we can do the position. So float menu X. So it's 40. So this one is 8. I think it will be okay. I think it's in pixel size, so should be 40. Yeah. And now I'm using this, so 30. Okay, and then we have play sound on and controls. So 41 and 52. But we need to, of course, shift it with the camera position. So this one, 40 minus camera X world, yes. And we also need to shift the Y. think so. And then we need to give this camera X and Y. Let's try. I have no idea. All right. So we have something here. If I scroll, it's moving. Yeah, we don't have the, probably, yeah, we missed the scaling. We missed the scaling, okay. And 20 is a bit too big, apparently. Oh, but maybe we need scale also, depending on the, all right, of the scale. Okay. So how do we get the scale now? Probably here I can see it. Draw line. Draw sprite width, draw sprite height. This one, how is it computed? Definition. Oh, pixel size. Was sprite. Okay, yeah, pixel size. I think we also need to, which this one is draw sprite X and Y actually. Wall sprite width, yeah, draw sprite width, draw sprite height. I guess this one is, oh, either I modify it here or over there. Okay, so maybe just compute in pixel size and then multiply here. Okay, let's see if we get the position correct, and then the position seem, yeah, and doesn't move. Okay, the position is correct now, and now we need to. Well, that seems very low. I'm surprised for the play. I'm surprised that the play is so low. Maybe it is. And then I should blah blah blah. I should scale the font. It's quite low. Let me check. Why is this? Is it like this on the? Oh, I don't have a. Yeah, it's quite low actually. Yeah, that's correct. All right. I forgot we put that so low actually. Oh, by the way, I should put the arrow also next to play. Yeah. Okay, so we just have to fix the size then. According to the pixel size. All right. The menu X position. All right, so can I just change the font size dynamically? Size, can I change you? Get, no, cannot change you. Oh, sorry. Size, I cannot change you. So that's why I need to, I will just transform it to local variable then. Oh, not the brush, the font. I think I can just multiply it by this. Let's put 18. Let's see. Oh, that's too big. But yeah, I can just multiply it. That's fine. All right, so let's put half of it. Maybe 8 is good enough. Yeah, I think 8 is good enough. All right. And then I also want it bold if it's possible. I need to give the style, font style, bold, okay. And it would be nice to have this and that, but I need to change this. Play menu X, rename other menu X, so play menu X would be I think 2 character less, 30 to 20, 24 maybe. It's 26. Okay. $28. No, 27. Dichotomy. All right. Okay. Yeah, I think that's good. We can maybe probably make it even more transparent, just to not disturb too much the drawing here, and maybe slightly change the base color. Slightly, yeah, let's take some wheat and maybe 80. Okay. Even less is possible, like 60. Okay. All right, I think that's good enough. We can commit this. So I have a new features that I didn't show you. So if you do new, it looks like that. Okay. I will commit this. Commit. So draw the main menu. Draw the main menu on the first screen as a feedback for the level designer. So I still need to add it into the doc, so I keep this line. And okay. We draw it here and here. Okay. All right. So now I want to, if we go back to here, I want to try to compute some statistic. Or this. Which one should we do first? This one we already start to think about it. Maybe we can. Not sure which one is the longest one to do. Yeah, we can try this one. We can try this one. No, maybe not. Sorry, I will do it in this order. I think I place it in the order of importance. So, yeah. And there's also one thing I would like to do is to add a message when you successively save the map. Because right now you can have an error if you don't save it correctly, but you don't have any feedback if you save it correctly. Sorry, this one here. Like for example, so if you just do a new, if you, for example, put some stuff here and you try to save, so if you save, it will actually do a save as, We can call it map test, but then you have error because, okay, so you can place it, and then if you save, well, this one map test was saved, so you can save again, but now you have, okay, now I need the grail. Okay, so I place the grail, and then you save it, and now it's saved correctly, but I don't have any feedback here. So I think it would be nice to be to say, okay, the map is saved, and here is the statistics, like the memory size you can expect from it. So yeah, and probably it would be nice also if we can have, I'm not sure if we can have some color here. Has to be a rich text actually, but I don't know if we added rich text for this one. So yeah, just curious. Let's have a quick look. This one, what's the property of this one? This one. Okay, thank you. What? No, that. What is this bug? I don't get this bug. It's a new bug or what? Why I cannot see the property of the... Let's close it. Main. Thank you. Thank you. So what is that? Is a text box. It's not a rich text box, I think, which is different. This one is a rich text box. Yeah, let's replace it. But I don't want to, yeah, to change everything. So I will just replace it inside the designer. This one, text box log. I think most of the function method are compatible between the two. So do this, and and then you go to the declaration. Where's the declaration? Go to definition. Yeah, here. All right. Okay, so it doesn't accept the scroll bar for the rich text box. Oh, what's that? Rich text box scroll bar. Yes. It's not exactly the same thing. So let's remove it. For the rest, I think it's compiling. So let's see. All right, so, hey, it's not what I did. Come on. So now we have a rich text box. How about the scroll bar? Show selection. Zoom factor, world, visible, tab, show selection, margin, shortcut, multi-line, section, enable, detect your context, scroll bar, both. Yeah, that's what I want. Okay. That's fine. Yeah, so I think we are good. And then I kind of forget how to set the color for the rich text box. This is probably where I need to check a bit the documentation. But anyway, let's. So it's in the exception that we log our message in exception when we receive it. And then in this function, we probably need to change something here. So let's search. Which text box? Color line. Line is enough for me. And let's show the full screen. To use, yeah, that's what we want. Got a property of type color of the name, selection color, which get or set the text color of the current selection or insertion point. Yes, insertion point. You can use this property to mark specific field. Okay, so like select selection color, select selection color, blah blah blah. Notice that you may avoid calculation by using find, which or if you would like to highlight the text within the line, the restoring, okay. Text length. Yeah, I think if you just set it for the insertion point, you may set the selection color just before setting the line. So let's see. Let's try. Let's experiment. So depending on the log level, we can log in different color. Okay, I just but the problem is I add all the line as an array. That's a problem. Because I could not modify the line. I cannot directly add, right? Yeah, I can just set the lines. Let me So we need to do something like that at some point. And can we font change? There's no add line, right? Get fast, get lifetime. I can change the text. But I can just set it actually. So does it mean I need to set the color after setting the lines? Which is, well, can be done, but a bit annoying because I need to know the level. Okay, but that's fine. We can log the level also in the text. So add message here. So we will change the message. Add the level to the message. Okay, level. Go to definition. Normal, good, warning, error. Okay. Nope, not this one. So we okay, it's just here the level. So color, we'll make an array of color, so that we call so normal will be black, color black, then good will be green, let's use a dark green for contrast, then we have warning, color orange, or maybe dark orange, and error is red. And then we can do level to string. So let's put that into bracket. Plus the message. All right, so now read only. No, static. Anyway, never mind. So an array of colors depending on the level of the message. So that it can be colored later. So we add the message and then set the colors for all the lines. So for each message, in existing message, so we need to select, I think. Yeah, we select and then we set the color. Select so int first no current message index. Let's do this. Let's do start message index. Yeah. Then end message index. And we can find no, but we also have we also have a line. I don't know if I can get actually the position of this line. I guess no. If I do this, I just have a string. I can just count the length of each line actually. Okay, yeah, that's what I wanted to do. So I think I just need to do this. All right, so yeah, I think that should be okay. Then we select start to end. Then we set the color, which should be this, and we don't know yet. So I wanted to pass the string to get the level, but maybe that's a bit too crazy. We can just memorize the log level. into another array that will be easier, I think. But just I'm wondering if we can, if the line has a tag. Otherwise, we can also set it into the tag. I mean, well, it's just a string. I think this is just a string, so get type. There is no tag. Yeah. And then this one. This one plus 1. Okay. So let's not do that for now. But we can private static an array of log level, and we call it log level lines. Oh, I think I will use a list, it will be easier. There's just a clear, so the clear, we should also clear all list. And the copy we don't need, okay. And then we can just add also the log level. Nope. The log level to the list. All right. I think you want me to cast into log level. No, that's already a log level. So, oh yeah, I need to cast into int. Yep. Okay. Then let's place my for. Okay. So I think that should work. Let's try. let's make a new and let's save. Okay, we are in red, which is good. And save. Also red. I'm not sure if we have other log level actually. Do we have other log level to test? Yeah, I should see the. I want to see the solution explorer. Place it here. Thank you. But the level is given into. Yeah. Let's search for that. Do we have any error? Oh, we have a warning. Oh, can only have one grail is a warning. Okay, so let's try that. Let's put a grail. Let's put 2 grail. Dun, dun. And now it's orange. Yes. Cool. Yeah, cool. That works. So I think we don't have any normal. No good. All right. Okay. Let's clear. And let's try to put another grail. Okay. Yeah, the color is okay. Let's save. And then that's fine. But this is where I want to say save is okay. And let's do that, by the way. And then we can commit this. So I should do that into the map when I save it, or maybe I should do that into the main form. Yeah, maybe in the map, in the save function. In this function, I think. Log the save. Log that the map was correctly saved. Log message. So I need to create a new text for that, and the log level will be good. Okay, so resource. Log map was saved successfully. Save successfully. Okay, and properties, resource. Okay, Let's try again. Just new. Save. Oh, I still have it. No, I should not have it. It's an exception. So I think this raised an exception. And I don't catch it here. Oh, I catch it. Did I catch it somewhere? Ah, yeah, I catch it here, I think. I catch it. Yeah, because I do it in the constructor. Okay. So how can I know? Map save data, save variable. I guess I can just return a variable here. Yeah, let's do that. Save was save okay false. Boom. We assume by default it's okay, and then we return it. The save status. I think I will do the same for the variable. And then here, I still want to call it anyway, so we'll do it like that. Okay, and then if then I log the message. We can keep the file memorization even if the save was not okay. So we can fix the error and try to save it again without asking the user to select again the file. And this is false, false and true, false. Okay. Let's try again. Let's save it. Okay, so let's change, save, grell, another one, cannot, save. And now it's correct. Okay, that's pretty cool. So this is where I want to print the stats, maybe normal, so in black. Just after that, yeah, that would be nice. All right, let's commit this. What time is it? 1:21. Okay, 1 hour and 20 minutes. Let's commit first. So what do we have? So wait, we change our text box to rich box. It just reorganize stuff if he wants, no problem. Yeah. So change the log text box to rich text box in order to display a log message with different colors. And here basically change the log message function to display in correct color. Clear it here, yep. And the map. So we have this flag, return flag, and then we add the message to when it's correctly saved. Log a message when the map was successfully saved. And this is the message we add, I think. Yeah. Was that? Okay. Okay. All right. Let's commit this. Okay. All right. So 1 hour 20 minutes. Should we try to display to compute the stats? I have the feeling that may be a bit too long to do. So probably I will stop here. But actually I didn't do any of what I wanted to do, which is neither this, neither that. We just prepare for it. But yeah, it's a little pity, but that's fine. So we have a color in the log now, and we have added the menu also to prepare for that, which took more time than what I have expected. But anyway, so yeah, I think I will stop here. Thank you for watching, and then see you in the next video. Bye bye.